Hello everyone, I'm Nomal Bogi. I'm gonna tell you about continuous flow. So, what is continuous flow? In operations and supply chain management, continuous flow means making sure that materials, products, or information move smoothly from one step to the next without delays or stopping. Thinking of it like water flowing in a river, always moving forward with no big pauses. This is different from batch processing, where things are done in groups and often wait in lines before moving to the next step. Continuous flow helps everything move faster and smoothly. So, why continuous flow is important? First, faster delivery. Products get made and delivered quicker, which makes customer happier. Second, lower cost. Less waiting and less waste mean you spend less money on storage and delays. Third, more flexibility. Your business can respond quickly in customer demand changes. Fourth, better quality. A steady, smooth process lead to fewer mistakes and better products. 5. Less inventory needed. You don't need to keep lot of materials or finished products sitting around, which saves space and money. 6. Favor delays. Smooth flow means less wasting between steps, so work keeps moving. 7. Better use of resources. Workers, machines, and materials are used more efficiently, improved customer communication. Predictable lead times allow you to give more accurate delivery dates to customer. 9. Reduces overproduction. You make only needed when it needed, avoiding excess stock that may not sell. So, how you can start using continuous flow? First, look at your process. See how things move now. Find where delays or slow stops happens. Second, cut out waste. Remove steps or tasks that don't add value, like too many approvals or waiting for materials. Third, balance the work. Make sure each step in process can handle the same amount of work so nothing gets stuck. Fourth, use just in time. Get materials only when you need them, not too early or not too late. Fifth, use technology. Tools like automation and real time data can help keep things moving and fix problems quickly. 6. Standardize tasks. Make sure each task is done the same way every time. This avoid confusion and errors. 7. Train your team. Make sure everyone understands the process and their role in keeping things moving. 8. Start small. Test continuous flow on one product or area first before applying it to everything. 9. Use visual tools, charts, boards, and signals. Help everyone see where things stand. 10. Maintain equipments. Keep machines in good shape so they don't break down and stop the flow. 11. Review regularly. Check your process often. Look for small changes that can improve flow even more. 12. Work with suppliers. Make sure your suppliers can deliver materials on time in the right amount. Consider Toyota Production System, a, a pioneer in continuous flow by applying lean principles and continuously monitoring every stage of production. Toyota has reduced waste, improved quality, and maintained a highly efficiently supply chain. Their success story is a testament to how continuous flow not only enhances operational efficiency but also creates a competitive edge in today's fast paced market. So, what you learn in this? Continuous flow means keeping everything move smoothly so your business runs faster, more efficiently, and win fewer problems. It helps you deliver better service, save money, and respond quickly to what your customers exactly need. Thank you.